Great! I made a template that will allow you to create a cover for your track in just a few minutes. Let me show you. First, go to the project folder, install this font, and click the PSD file. It takes us to Photoshop. Here's our cover. Let me introduce you to the layers. We have photo layer 1, photo layer 2, photo layer 3, a text layer, and a color layer, which allows us to change the color of our cover. We go to the photo 1 layer. Click on it twice, press OK, and we need to place our photo here. Open the folder with the photo. I'll take one as an example. Drag it here. If your photo is smaller, hold down the Shift key to stretch it to the width of this window. After placing your photo, press Enter and hold Ctrl S to apply the changes. You can close this window. We see that the photo has been placed here. Next, we move to the Photo 2 layer. Click here twice and drag the second photo in the same way. Also, press Ctrl S to save the changes, close this window, and move to the layer called Photo 3. We save our changes, close this window, and see that the cover is almost ready. Next, we see there is a layer at the bottom called Text. We double-click on it and see that we have text here. You can insert, lines from your track here. I write something just to have it. After you have written the lines from your track, press Ctrl S to save the changes and close this window. We see that the text has appeared. Below, we see the layer Color. We can activate it and, by adjusting this slider, change the color of our cover. We save our cover, make sure it's in JPEG format. The image size is 3000 by 3000 pixels, and we set the quality to 100. Here we click Save. I hope I helped you. Check out my other videos on the channel. There you will find track covers, animation templates, and design resources. You can download the project via the link in the description. Thank you and good luck.